Hello everybody, my name is Arjun. Today we will learn about how to make game in a Scratch. So today we will make a jump game in a Scratch. So we will choose an character for the game. So I think we should take any good character like dinosaur. There's a dinosaur here, and we will make its size little bit smaller so it could be not big for the background. And then we will choose a background for it like let's choose any type of good background which suits the dinosaur like this. Yes, now uh, our dinosaur should jump. So to jump the dinosaur, so to make it jump we will choose and change y by 10 in, 2 times, because when we make it jump we want to dinosaur to again come back to the ground. So it is good we will change here like minus 10 to which it now change y by 10 will make it jump, and change y by minus 10 will make it come down. Now we will put both the this both code in a repeat block, and then we will make it jump when we press the space key, so like this. Okay, it is now working good. Now we will add an obstacle for the game which is important. So I will choose a ball here, and we will make its size little bit smaller than the or exactly because it is smaller already. Oh, what happened? Okay, okay, now it's good. Now we want the ball to come from here to here. So we will choose, so we will choose the x. Where is x? Go to x, yes. And then we will make to make it glide, we will choose wait. Now we want to the ball to glide from here to here. So we will drag it here, and then we will choose the this option glide one. Oh wait, yes. And now when we drag it here, and when we go in events for this, and then hmm, now it is gliding very rapidly. It is hard us to jump over it now. So we will just make it little bit slower. We will make it 2 seconds, so it will take 2 seconds to glide. Yes, it is more slower. Now to make more better, the game should be more better to play to the player. So we will add more obstacles. So for this we will right click on the ball sprite, and then we will duplicate. We will choose the duplicate option which will duplicate our sprite, and then when we play our second ball is not coming. Why? This is the problem. So to fix it, we will just make it little bit 1 second late to come. So wait 1 second. Now it is coming, but our second ball was not coming. To make it, wait, we will go in ball two. Then we will just go in the looks, and then we will choose the hide and show option here. When the program starts it will hide, and when the first ball goes, second ball should show. So we will make it like this, and then when we start the program it will go like this. Okay, now the problem is that our dinosaur, when the ball touches our dinosaur, the program should stop. So what we will do, we will add an option here in controls, stop. There is an stop all. Wait until wait. In sensing we will go here, and here we will make, wait, what happened? Huh. Here we will make it, and when it touches the dinosaur 4, the program will stop like this. Wait, why it is? Wait. We have not added here. When the program starts, then game stop. But this code is for only ball 1. So we will make this code for ball 2. So to make, we will again take the same code. We will make it same here, and then touching dinosaur 4, and again we will go in where this controls and stop all. Now it is looking good. When means if we jumped on over it, wait. When we jumped over it, we are not able to jump over it only. So okay. Now there is a problem. When our dinosaur jumps and when it touches the ball, it is on standing high only. Means it is not coming again on the ground. To make it come on the ground again, okay, we will. I think we should go for wait. Uh, yes, okay. We will make it change XY to. This is better. Wait. Okay, it's okay. Or wait, we will first glide our dinosaur where we want, and then we will again choose, and then we will go in events and take our when clicked option, and then when we make a mistake and again we start our game, it will be start from that the particular point only. Now our ball is too big, we can see that our ball is too big, which is so because of what our dinosaur is not able to jump over it. So we will make both the ball size 70 more smaller than the real size of the ball. Then again we will try. Okay. I think we should make the dinosaurs jump more higher so it can prevent the this. Now I think it should go. Oh, it is working. It is working. I wait. Okay, it is good. It is good. But what is happening? I don't know. I think we should change the character. Oh, wait. Here, now what is the problem? Now it will make it good. I think so. We will go in a motion, and when we remove it, and now if we take it again, and now when we make it, yes. Now what is the problem? When it touches it, it is not again going back. To make it again go back, what we will do now, we will make it in forever block. Means wait, forever. And in ball 2 also we will again put that forever block. Wait, it's not there. Here I think. Now when we start the game, wait. Okay, it is making good, but wait. I think now it should work. Now, please. What happened? I think we made a mistake again. Now, wait. What? I think we should put it in a hole forever. Then when we took the, and then if we put it whole, so I think it is good. It is stopping. Wait. Okay, now it is good. Now it is good. Now it is working. Now, to make our game more good, more better, we will add here this score, which will count our uh, when we jump, it will score one like this. So to make it, we will first make an variable score here from the variable, and then we will set change one when it jumps, and then when it touches. Okay, when it touches, I think. Uh, okay, and then when set my variable score here, score to 0. uh, okay, if I think this should work. Touching the ball 1 and ball 2, and to make it again, I think we can glide it. Yes, ball 2 also. I think now this should work. Okay, now it is not changing 0. Why? uh, yes, we have make it with forever. We If we make it forever, then what will happen? And now it is not changing the score to 0. I think, wait, if we remove our when clicked option, and then if we put forever block here, then what happened? And then, wait, it is not changing. Wait, I think something went wrong here. Score 0, score 0. Wait, first we will remove this, and then if we um, if we just put it in the this uh, ball sprite, then what will happen? I want to see. Wait, what? It is not changing our variable to 0. What should we do? I think, wait. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. If you know how to just make a score to 0, tell me in the comment section. Till then, bye.